It's Miss Hodge here, and it is Monday to drill our sounds. Okay, friends, at this time, you will see different pictures pop up of our posters that we use in school. So what you're going to do, if I am not drilling those, you are going to pause the video and you are going to drill those on your own. If you see me and I pop up, that means I want us to do them together. But remember, if you do not see me, then that means you're going to pause the video and you are going to drill the sounds on your own. Good luck, friends. I know you can do it. We're going to look at the difference in the short sound versus the long sound. So let's start with A. A, apple, A. Now let's do the short sound. A, safe, A. E, ed, E, Pete, E. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, U.